Okay, I'm going to lift finger number 2. 5, 1, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Well, here we are at another lesson with David, learning about the piano. And today we're going to learn about what's called finger exercise number 1. So first, if you take a look at your hand, just remember that the fingers are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this finger exercise number 1 is for the right hand. So first thing we have to do is find out where the thumb is supposed to start. And on this particular exercise, it's going to be at middle C. And to find that on this piano, you go to the Y, it's right in front there. Or if you're on whatever other keyboard, you look at 3 black keys, 2 black keys. So to the left of 2 black keys will be a C. So these are all C's. And then one is right here. So the way the exercise works is you place your thumb on the C and you're going to skip the next note, which is D, and go to the E note. We're just playing the white notes only, no black notes. So here we go. Finger number 1, and then we skip a note, and we just play each note together, and then come back down again. Next spot is thumb goes to the next note, which is D, skip, back down again, thumb, skip, thumb, skip, almost done, thumb, skip to the next one, thumb, skip, thumb, skip, and this is the end. Come back down to the C. So that's the full pattern. So I'll just speed up a little bit. Starts here at the C with your thumb, finger number 1. Skip. 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 How'd you do on that one? Well, let's try going down now. So we go down the octave, and to do this one, we're going to start off with baby finger, and we do the same sort of thing. We bring the fingers down, and we come to the thumb, and then we just keep repeating again. So it's like this. Whoops. Skip. Almost done. And bring it back up and end it. There we go. So that's using the 5 fingers for finger exercise number 1, going up and coming down. And what you could do if you like is to do both left hand and right hand, and it looks like this. Coming down would look like this. Oops. So just be patient. It takes practice and you'll do just fine.